The inflation crisis was caused by massive overspending and escalating energy prices, and that is why today I will also declare a national energy emergency. We will drill, baby, drill.
We've all heard the great news, drill, baby, drill, but what does that actually mean for us right here in the Bakken? From an investment, real estate, and overall market demand for oil? Stay tuned, Proven Realty, brokered by eXp with the full report. I'm Eric Peterson, owner and founder of Proven Realty, brokered by eXp, and we've had a lot of questions this week on what does drill, baby, drill actually mean for us right here in North Dakota. And I tell you what, the phone's been ringing off the hook. We're starting to get calls from investors all over the world wondering if now is the right time to get back into North Dakota and be investors. And so that demand will continue to rise. But we had an opportunity to sit down with some of the top business leaders in our area at our monthly mastermind. That was on the topic for yesterday's meeting. And I asked everybody, how has it affected your business so far? What does Trump number 2.0 look like for you and your business? And they all said they believe that the demand is going to be there from the oil service companies as we continue to drill. Their budgets are strong. They really think that we're going to continue to business as usual, but pick up production slightly, but that they don't see a big increase in drill rigs that are available and out there currently drilling. The other issue they said is still the same constraint as before, labor. Nobody wants to work anymore. It's tough to find people to get out there, but if they have more employees, they could certainly grow at a lot higher level. So a couple of concerns with it, however, is are we going to be like we did in 2015 and 16, where we produced so much oil, where the bottom fell out of the prices? That's always a concern, especially with some global demand slowing down. The good news is we're going to be filling up our strategic reserves. We're going to continue to drill. And now at least these oil companies know what they're getting on the field. They're getting wind at their sails instead of in their face. And it will be a lot better overall environment. And we really believe a lot of the new policies are going to drive more economic growth. Companies will hire more workers. They'll continue to expand. People will have more economic opportunity, which should increase that global demand for oil. So stay tuned. I hope that goes well. A couple of concerns we have, however, is what will it do to prices? If you've been watching the news, we've been in the high 70s lately for the measures of oil prices on the WTI. And what that actually means is we're going to see a downward price pressure. Many of the estimates now are in the low 60s dollars per barrel halfway through Trump's regimen in the next 2 years. So make sure to pay attention to that as well. However, we think it's obviously great for the market. We know that the Democratic policies typically lead to higher oil prices. So have the oil companies learned their lesson from before, and are we going to overproduce? They're a lot more strategic now. They've learned from their mistakes in the past, and all indications are they will not be producing at the same high levels that they did before, and they're sitting on record profits for the last 3 or 4 years, ever since we crawled out of COVID, and expecting big things. The other question that we have, what can we do here to grow? We have nowhere to put any of the workers, service companies. By all indications in our business, I believe that we're about 100 commercial shops shy right now in the greater Williston area. We're short a whole bunch of retail, office space, medical. There isn't any product line out there on the office and industrial and commercial side that is not in great demand. Also on the residential side, we could be 500, 600, 700 houses shy right now, just based on everybody looking. Apartments are full, rents are going up. With higher interest rates, we expect multifamily is going to continue to do well for those investors out there, as they can't afford to get loans and they can't afford the payment. We need builders to come into the area, start building, and more specifically, create housing opportunities for those that are here, because so many people want to buy. The problem is it's really expensive to bring quality construction to the area because of labor and where we are geographically in North America. So pay a special attention to that. We're 600, 700, 800 houses shy right now, and that's before you consider the huge projects that are approved coming online, $10, $15 billion in development and investment into our great western North Dakota area. So how is that all going to play out is anybody's guess. So super happy with Drill Baby Drill. It's going to really impact long-term and add some stability to the curve of the ups and downs that we're here. So what does that mean for you? If you're an investor, we still have high cap rates. Those have now started to come down because of more demand for triple net investments on industrial. Retail is big demand, houses are in a big demand. So if you're an investor sitting on the sidelines and wondering if now is the time to get into North Dakota, give us a call. I would love to chat. If you're a seller, your property now is probably worth more than has been in at least a decade. So if you're looking to sell, looking to upgrade, downgrade, please give us a call at Proven Realty, broker by EXP. We'd be happy to tell you what makes us different. Otherwise, stay tuned. Click on one of the links below. I did an amazing interview with Steve Kemp about a month and a half ago about all the investment opportunities and what's happening in our great area, and also had a conversation with Chris Junt last month. We just posted that. So click on the link below for those videos, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can help bring more content like this to you. If you have any questions at all, give us a call at Proven Realty, brokered by EXP. Thanks for watching.